In this lesson, we will learn about while loop in Python. And here is the syntax. In Python, while loop starts with the keyword while followed by a boolean condition, and we also need to put a colon after the condition. Then in a new line, after giving some indent, one or more statements is written, and these statements will be executed only if this condition is evaluated as true. And after executing all the statements inside the while loop, the control of the program will move again to the starting point of the while loop, and the conditions will be checked again. In this way, this set of statements will be executed repeatedly as long as the condition is true. As soon as the condition is evaluated as false, the control of the program moves to the immediate next statement after the while loop, and the loop terminates here. Here is the flowchart of the while loop. The loop starts here, and the condition is initially checked, and if the condition is true, then the statements within this block will be executed, and the control will move again to the starting point of the while loop. And if the condition is false, then the control goes just to the immediate next statement after the while loop. So as long as the condition is true, this set of statements will be executed again and again, and ultimately when the condition becomes false, the control of the program moves to the immediate next statement after the while loop. Let's write a very simple program to illustrate the working principle of while loop. So here is the code. N is equal to 1, and while n less than or equal to 10, print n, then n is equal to n plus 1. So this is our while loop, and this is the body of the while loop. The body consists of two statements. One is print and one is assignment. N is equal to n plus 1. So here Python will initially check the condition whether n is less than or equal to 10. If it is true, then this set of statements will be executed. As you can see, n is 1 now, so 1 less than or equal to 10. So print n prints 1, and this statement increments the value of n by 1. So n becomes 2, and 2 less than or equal to 10 is true. So in this way, the condition will be checked repeatedly, and this set of statements will be executed. Now, before executing the program in Python interpreter from the terminal, we'll run the program mentally. So suppose this is our variable n. Initially 1 is assigned to n, so n less than 10 becomes 1 less than or equal to 10. So the condition is true, and this set of statements will be executed, and what will be printed? 1. So this statement print n prints the number 1, and here n becomes 2. N is equal to n plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 is 2. So the new value of n is 2, and the old value is erased. Again, 2 less than or equal to 10 is true, so print n, and n equal to n plus 1 will be executed. So in this way 2 will be printed. In this way, the value of n will be incremented, and at some point of time the value of n will be 10. and when n is 10, the condition 10 is less than or equal to 10 is true. So we will print 10 here. Okay. Now the value of n becomes 11. N is 11 now, and this is erased. So the condition 11 is less than or equal to 10 becomes false. So the statements here will not be executed anymore because the condition has become false. So the control goes here. In this way the loop terminates. Now let's run the program inside the terminal. So type Python while loop .py. We have saved this script inside a file named while_loop.py. So we have to type Python while_loop.py and press enter. So we can see the output. The output starts from number 1, then 2, then 3, and at the end it has printed 10. So our loop is working fine. In this way we can write any kind of looping statements using the keyword while. This is a very simple or basic example. In real life situations, the condition may be a complex one and there may be a lot of statements, but the principle behind this while loop is like this one. So it clearly demonstrates the working principle of while statements in Python.